Welcome back to Neethas Indulgences. Today I am bringing a slice of Italy straight to my kitchen. Get ready for a fun and delicious pizza making session from scratch. Crispy crust, rich sauce, and a cheesy goodness. So, what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. The ingredients for pizza are all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, yeast, oregano, paprika, parsley, basil, tomatoes, minced garlic, red chili powder, olive oil. So we have Shanthi here to assist us with the pizza making. Welcome Shanthi. 1 cup of lukewarm water, 4 teaspoons of yeast, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix this yeast well. Now cover the yeast and let it rest for 10 minutes. We'll wait for it to rise. So it has been sitting for the last 10 minutes. Now we'll check out our yeast. Time to make our pizza dough now. We are adding 5 cups of all-purpose flour. We are going to add the yeast to the flour mixture now. Now we are going to mix the yeast and flour. Let's add 1 cup of water first. And if need be, add more water. So look at the consistency and pour water accordingly. So 1 cup is not enough. We are adding in 1 more cup. So totally we have added 1.5 cups of water, and there was yeast mixture water as well. So calculate that and make it. So keep kneading the dough until it comes together. Add olive oil, roughly about 3-4 tablespoons of olive oil. The oil have to be absorbed really well into the dough. Adding some flour to the working table. Let's knead the dough now. So we have to knead the dough for almost 10 minutes. Our dough is ready now. We will cover it with a cloth and close it for 2 hours. Now we have started the prep work for the marinara sauce. I have taken 1.5 kilos of Bangalore tomatoes. We have chopped into halves. Let's add water. This marinara sauce can be kept in the fridge for almost a month. So when you're making the pizza base, you can always take the sauce and then use it accordingly. So our tomatoes are boiling now. This is the consistency that we are looking at. So once this reaches this consistency, we are going to switch off, and then we will separate the water and separate the tomatoes. We're going to transfer the boiled tomatoes now. We'll peel the skin and keep it aside. We have transferred the tomatoes. We will use this water at a later stage. We have peeled the tomatoes, and now we are going to grind this. We are using the tomato skin, and we have taken out all the goodness from the tomato skin, and we are going to use this for the sauce now. We are starting with the marinara sauce now. 5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is roughly about 20 cloves of chopped garlic. Okay, once the garlic changes its color, add in salt. This is red chili powder. Use as per your taste. I am using in 4 teaspoons of chili powder. Also using in paprika, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of parsley. Add in the tomato puree. Add in some oregano. If you have fresh basil, please use that. I'm using dried basil. Now we are going to add the tomato water which we had kept aside. Rinse off the jar with little bit of water. We'll boil the tomato puree for 15 minutes. Make sure to cover and cook the marinara sauce. After 15 minutes, add sugar to your marinara sauce. This gives a very good balance to the sauce. So this is the consistency that you're looking at for the marinara sauce. Just look at that. Lovely. Beautiful. Lovely. Beautiful. Ooh la la. So satisfying. Now we are going to roll the dough. This is the most satisfactory video that I ever done because I am putting so much of cheese and my better half and my cameraman is going to enjoy this. Time to bake this yummy pizza. So let's check our pizza. Wow, just look at that. Yay! So Shanthi is doing the honors of cutting the pizza. This looks so rich and yummy. And there you have it, our homemade Italian pizza, fresh out of the oven. Just look at that. Crispy, gooey, and cheesy. Yum! If you have enjoyed this pizza making session, then don't forget to hit that like button and do share with your friends and family. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.